Hello everyone. In this session we will talk about the formula errors which is occurred in MS Excel. Okay. If any formula is entered incorrectly, MS Excel shows an error message instead of the output. Not only this, it also helps you in identifying and fixing the problem. Okay, so there are mainly five types of error. So we will discuss one by one. The first one is hash value error. So this type of error will be displayed if the formula contain cell address that have different data types. If we talk about the data value at C8, that is 10, and the data type is integer type. Again, if we talk about the data value at C9, that is integer type. C10 similarly integer type, and C11 again that is integer type. Suppose that I am putting value shiv in place of this is a string data type. Okay, because it is a collection of characters, so I'm going to add these numbers with this string. So we will see what will happen. Equal C8 plus C9 plus C11 C10 plus C11 C11. So there is a hash value error. Why this hash value error is showing? Because we are adding different data types. Okay, that's why this value error is showing. But if we change here 30, and again I am specifying that equal C8 plus C9 plus C10 plus C11. So we will get 100, right? As you can see that 100. Now we will see the next error, that is division by zero. This error basically displays when a number is either divided by zero or an empty cell. So we will see there equal symbol. If I am going to divide the value at C10, divide by 0. So it's showing hash divisible by 0. In mathematics it show infinite, but here in MS Excel it show there is an error that is hash division by 0. Okay. Now if we talk about hash name error. So this error occurs when you have entered the formula name incorrectly. Suppose that if you want to sum of these numbers and you are by using function, right, by using sum function, or you are mentioning the spelling of sum is SU only, not SUM. After press enter, it will show hash name error because you have defining the function name that is wrong. Okay, the function name is SUM, sum. Similarly, if you are want average, you are choosing AVJ in place of AVERAG, average. So again it's showing hash name error. So if you want to rectify this error, so you have to enter correct formula name. Okay. Now next error, that is hash error. What is hash error? Hash error occurs when the column width is too less to accommodate a large number of values. Suppose that there is a width of column is less, at, as it is showing here, and you are entering large number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. This is the large number. Okay, and after entering that, you will get hash because it is a error. It is displaying by because the length of because the width of the column is too less to accommodate the large value. If you are click on this hash value, you will get the value 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. But here it is showing hash because the width of column is too less, right? Now we will move on to the next error, hash reference error. What is hash reference error? Okay, so this error will be displayed when a cell reference is not valid. Okay, deleting the cell that were referred by other formula will cause this error. Now we'll see the practical. Here I am displaying the value 0 in place of 20. So it will change the sum, that is 10. You can see that. If you are again you are mentioning the value 10 and here you are going to change value 0, so again it becomes 10. It means if you are not defining any value in the cell, suppose I am not defining any value in the cell again, so again it will remain 10. Here also I am not defining any value, it remain 0. It means by default it takes 0 value in the cell. Okay, but if you are mentioning some value, entering some value 10 here in at K7, and this cell, and here you can say that there is a formula equal to K7 plus L7. There is a L7 but there is no value. It means by default it takes 0 value. But if you are deleting this column, if you are going to delete this column, what you will get? It will get hash reference error. You can see that here. Okay, because you have deleted, because you are adding two columns. You are adding two columns in which one column is what? Is not there. It is already deleted. So that's why this error is occurring. Again, I'm going to press Ctrl Z. I'm going to entering some value here. It becomes again 30, and I'm going to delete this column. So as you can see that you will get hash is equal to reference, because reference is missing. This reference is missing because the value at K7 it is showing 20, but the previous cell value is not showing. So that's why it is showing hash reference error. Okay, so that's all about this session. Okay class, please do the practice at your home. Thank you.